everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're going to talk about putting glitter heat transfer vinyl on a t-shirt. Glitter heat transfer vinyl is a very close cousin to regular vinyl in that it takes the same amount of time, pressure, and temperature for it to adhere. So we've got about 300 degrees for 15 seconds on the heat press. The thing that makes it different is that it's a hardier, thicker substance, so it won't show the weave of the fabric after it's been adhered to the shirt. Our project today has a V-neck, so I'm going to utilize a heat pressing pillow in order to be able to get through those thick seams without it decreasing the pressure on our heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to thread that first. Remember when you are using a heat pressing pillow that you want to turn down the pressure on your machine. Once we have it placed and our pressure's turned down, we're ready to press.